Chandan, what's your take on the entire power theme, given the fact that NTPC for the last 3 days has been among the top gainers on the Nifty? Do you think that now is the time to look at these power stocks, which select power stocks which are making a comeback?
So after the profit booking of almost 5 weeks, Nifty Energy and Power Index is finding some support-based buying. However, the medium-term trend is in pressure, but short-term daily trend is negating its lower top, lower bottom with a small follow-up activities. So with that view, I believe some recovery could be there in the power sector, and NTPC could be the preferred name. Technically, the stock has from the bottom near 298 300 zone and has been making eye top side bottom on the daily scale. It managed to surpass the multiple barrier of 320. So because of that, some recovery could be there. The stock has already seen a profit booking decline from higher levels, so risk reward ratio also favors the trade setup. So with support of 318, NTPC can head towards 340 level. Apart from that, other power name could be in focus. CSE is other name which formed a bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly chart, which has the bullish engulfing and bullish implications. So positive price setup also indicates some uptick. So with support of 132, one can look for an upside target towards 145 in CSC. So NTPC and CSC are two names could be in focus in this segment.
Okay. Chandan, I want to go back to this 22,800. 22,800, 22,800, 22,800. 5 बार हो चुका है. Kunal feels that it will be broken. If it is broken, what does that mean? 22,800, right? कितनी बार बोल चुके हैं? I think we've said this 22,800 at least 10 times every day, right?
Yes. So 22,800, 22,800 is an important level, and precisely I'll talk about 22,660 because there is 38.2% retracement of the entire movement of the market. But if that is broken, index can correct by 500 to 700 points. So the good part is that we are consolidating. We have to surpass beyond 23,150, 23,333. Otherwise, there will be threat to break this level and correct by further 500 to 700 points. In that scenario, 22,222 will be the key level in the market. So I think if that is broken, be ready for that.
So what happens then, Chandan? I'm assuming that 22,800. I mean, markets are really focusing on that, and we are also focusing on that. If it is broken, it will lead to immediate panic unwinding, and that could have a rub-off effect on small and mid-cap stocks. Can I assume that template could be at play?
Yeah, so like the good part is that market has been consolidating from last 4-5 days. So somehow base formation is being created in many small cap, mid cap. But if that level is broken, then I think mid cap and small cap can correct by 3 to 5%. Index can correct by 2 to 3%. But again, I have the strong belief in the understanding that if the 22,800 is broken, that panic will be the last panic for this leg of decline in the market. So I believe that breaks, that will be good for the market. Yes, there will be correction, pressure, panic, but I think that panic should be utilized to build the portfolio if you're interested for long term. But if you're for short term, I think you should utilize the corrective move of 500 to 700 points.
Let's also get some of the ideas, stock specific ideas from our experts then. And Chandan, you go first. Give us the stocks that you are tracking this morning.
Yeah, so first trade will be buy on Shriram Finance. The stock has given a breakout from its falling channel on the daily and the weekly scale. Surpass is falling supply trend line. Support-based buying is clearly visible with some open interest activity. So one can buy with support of 565 for an upside target towards 610. Second trading idea, there is buy on SRF. Selective chemical counter started to witness buying interest. We have seen good recovery in the UPL, and now SRF is started to witness buying interest after a corrective and consolidative move of last 12 days. Negating its lower top, lower bottom, formed a strong candle, taken support at the previous hurdle zone. So role reversal are clearly visible for the next leg of rally. One can buy with support of 27.25 and SRF can head towards 29.35, 29.50 zone.
All right, those are the two calls coming in from Chandan. SRF as well as Shriram Finance, two of the strong candidates that he's tracking. But Kunal